read how Pratap Sarangi had to get 5 stitches, how BJP's Mukesh Rajput had to be admitted to the ICU. Despite all this visual evidence and the fact that they are hospitalized and currently still under observation, what are INDIA MPs saying? SP MPs are calling it a drama. They are saying these are fake bandages. Can you believe it? They say that the bandages on Pratap Sarangi are fake bandages. Betadine was applied on them to show that he was bleeding. They are even questioning the fact that an elderly MP who sustained injuries, they are calling it drama. They then are also saying that doctors are under pressure to give fake reports, questioning the entire medical fraternity in an attempt to downplay the grievous allegations leveled against Rahul Gandhi. Listen in to the shocking reactions coming in.
It was a man-made, created incident. They were stopping people from going up the steps. I'm witness to it. They were stopping people. If people have to go to the house, I had such a problem going up the... How can you be covering the steps? And they were pushing and jostling.
जहाँ पे आज हम चाह रहे हैं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के एमपीज माफी मांगे because they have not only insulted the democracy of the country, they have insulted Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ji also, who is an idol for every citizen of the country. भारतीय जनता पार्टी हमेशा एक पक्ष को लेकर ही आगे बढ़ती है, वह कभी भारत के संविधान को, भारत की डेमोक्रेसी को और लोगों को लेकर आगे नहीं बढ़ती है. और मैं समझती हूँ भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जो कल का फेस ऑफ हुआ है उसके लिए माफी मांगनी चाहिए, क्योंकि इसके लिए केवल भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट जिम्मेदार हैं.
Priyank is joining us live from the INDIA protest. And Priyank, you've been speaking to leaders of the Samajwadi Party. And since this morning, there seems to be an attempt to discredit not only the MPs who've sustained injuries. There is an attempt to say that these are fake bandages. This is a drama orchestrated by the BJP, despite knowing the fact that both the MPs are still hospitalized. They're still under observation. There is also an attempt to discredit the woman MP from Nagaland. But before we talk about that, take us through the reaction that came in from Samajwadi Party's Ram Gopal Yadav, who went ahead and said that these are fake bandages on the MPs.
Yes, Sagrika Samajwadi Party came up with a line that they have to call this attack fake, and that started from Jaya Bachchan, then it went to Dimple Yadav, and finally Ram Gopal Yadav took a different turn by saying that the red color betadine was poured by the doctors on the band-aid so that it should look like an attack and it should look like a blood. They have also questioned the doctors of Ram Manohar Lal Lohia Hospital here in the national capital, where Ram Gopal Yadav says that the doctors are under pressure to give fake medical report regarding the health bulletin of the member of parliament. So the Samajwadi Party is certainly coming and towing up the line, where they are not only discrediting the alleged attack on the honorable member of parliament, the senior member of parliament, but they are also questioning the doctors of the Arabelle hospital who have been treating these two patients.
So certainly very scary attack from the Samajwadi Party. When the elderly MP was writhing in pain, when Rahul Gandhi was called and was confronted by BJP MPs, they showed him his condition there, after which he had to be immediately rushed to the hospital. And despite that, these claims of they are wearing fake bandages, this is just betadine to show that there was the blood, even doctors are giving fake reports. These kind of claims coming in from the Samajwadi Party, that reaction from Ram Gopal Yadav, let's play that out.
100% झूठा. किसी तरह से राहुल गांधी ने कोई धक्का नहीं दिया. ये सीसीटीवी कैमरे लगे हुए, उनको देख लीजिए.
सर लेकिन आप दूसरी तरफ स्पीकर ने कहा है कि कोई भी किसी भी पार्लियामेंट के किसी भी गेट पर अब सांसद द्वारा, मेंबर द्वारा, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के द्वारा प्रोटेस्ट नहीं किया जाए.
वो उनके स्पीकर का आदेश बिल्कुल ठीक.
With that, we slip into a short commercial break, but we are going to keep our focus on the latest that's coming in when it comes to the Sansad Assault Gate. Taking a short break.